Alright, quick update time. What you see over here is the Olimexino. It's got 3 wires coming out of it. These 3 here, this brown one, the yellow and the orange. That's hooked up to a strip of 10 WS2812 LEDs. And here you can see a signal on the oscilloscope which is coming from the Olimexino, driving the different colours on the LEDs. Now each of these LEDs is accessed individually as well. And the signal that's on the scope here is the data signal which is used to set up the colours for each of these 10 LEDs, as you can see here. These use quite a fast protocol. They use like I think it's 800 kilohertz signal to drive these, so the timings are quite tight on them. If I go back to the beginning of this, we can have a quick look at the signal. Go back one there. So if I stop that, so what we're looking at there is this indicates a 0, and if I scroll it over, yeah, there's one, and the one in the middle there indicates a 1. So this is a signal to drive. You get 8 bits per pixel, per colour, red, green and blue. So this is just the beginning of the information to drive the first LED. There we are. So the idea is that you can stick a bunch of these on your quadcopter in, say, 4 corners of it, and you only need 1 pin from here to drive them all, which is awesome. And these are super bright LEDs, they're really good. I'm using them in a couple of other projects as well. And the idea is that you could then potentially get Cleanflight to display like power, direction, orientation and various other things, or battery status, GPS locks, that kind of stuff with just these LEDs with 1 pin. At the moment it's using the same timer that the soft serial stuff uses, which means that it would be mutually exclusive with soft serial. You couldn't use soft serial and LEDs at the same time. On a board like this, for instance, though, because you've got so many more timers and channels, it'd be entirely possible to use lots of serial devices and LEDs all at the same time, which would be awesome. There we go.